Hello everybody, welcome to the Unit 7, Work-Life Balance. In this unit, we're going to talk about jobs, works, and studies. Describe present activities. Say why you can do things. The learning activities. The resources. Now let's see some vocabulary about jobs. Butcher, chef, cashier, engineer, nurse, waiter, waitress, vet, reporter. What is your profession? You can answer, I am a student. I am a doctor. I am a mechanic. What is your mother's profession? My mother's profession is a dentist. What does your father do? My father is a lawyer. Now let's see daily routine. It's very important that you know that to talk about daily routine, you need to talk with the simple present. Do you remember? Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. Get up. We get up at 8:15. He gets up at 7:15. Make bed, take a shower, get dressed, have or take breakfast, brush the teeth. Now let's see some examples. I go to bed at 10:30. He goes to bed at 10:30. Let's see, simple present. They start classes in the morning. He starts classes in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. We brush our teeth in the morning. He brushes his teeth in the morning. Now let's practice. What do? I am a student. I am in 7th semester. I study at Autonomous University. I am a doctor. I am a mechanic. What is your profession? I am an engineer. I am a soccer player. Now talk about your daily routine. Let's see. I wake up at 5:45. Then I make my bed. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. She has breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. She goes to work by bus. How often do you go to work by bus? I go to work every day by bus. How often do you go out with your friends? I always go out with my friends. Now keep in practice and see you in the next unit.